I'm recording for you, Sonia. Oh. Good boy. The bucking wasn't good, but the turning around was good. Oh, okay, he says. I go this way. I don't understand, he says. Good boy.
Make me do a little more work with the older horses. He's doing good. He's going around the same direction.
Look how cute his trot is. Do you see that? So floaty. Look at flying lead change. He's gonna be a nice horse when he gets older.
Boy.
Good boy. He has such a cute trot. Look at that.
He knows what to do. He's like, I'm just watching the bear. Yeah. Oh no, look at that. Beautiful.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Dressage horse in training. He has a gorgeous trot. At least he's like figuring out the correct lead to go on in here. Good boy. Look at, he's gonna join up with you. We thought about it for a second. Yeah, I wouldn't want to either, but he thought about it.